Welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia and Annmarie. Now, Marcia is speaking to Annmarie about Ashanti. And this is a lot to take in. So, guys, please, when you watch this video, please focus and see what Marcia and Annmarie has to say as they join forces together to talk about Ashanti. Now, in this video, you'll find where Marcia is saying that basically Ashanti went to Jamaica Avenue to where she does her dress shopping. You know, where she buys those fancy dresses that she wore to her party, her birthday party. She's saying that he went there asking the owner if he knows Marcia, saying that Marcia is his girlfriend, and also allegedly saying that Marcia is his girlfriend, and also, trying to find out if she's the ambassador for that place. No. Annmarie and Marcia are saying that basically he's a sick individual, allegedly, because who would want to pay money to go to get that information? And it's hard for him to find parking and stuff like that on Jamaica Avenue. So it's a whole lot of things about Ashanti. As you know, Annmarie, she's coming out and talking about the advances that she had with him. You know, the sexual advance, what happened that night when she went to the hotel with him. And she's talking about that. Marcia is also talking about Janet, because Janet came up in this conversation as well, and the house and everything. So go and catch the video because this is a different one, as Marcia and Annmarie joined forces to speak about Ashanti. Go ahead and catch the video, guys, and do remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, lovelies, have yourselves a super wonderful day.
And go videotape a frack. And said him look better than the mannequin. Eh? So when the people them call me and tell me, say, Marcia, him down your shop where you buy your dress.
Hello now.
Me call the people, and the people them say, me call him man and me say to him, say, that guy will come in a video with the him say, yes, he's here. Me say he's lying. He's the guy that is bullying me on social media. Him say, really? And say, I'm gonna and him call later Jamaican guy where I work. And him say, yes, me know him. Me know what me never want to say nothing. Me know him. And he come in here and I ask him, me watch it on Facebook and me know say that even I do. The guy say, okay, next time he come. But tell him man say, oh me and girlfriend, you know Marcia can. I say, man say, of course me know Marcia can, but a question the man if me and him bust it down there and go on the mannequin and I show the dress and I laugh. Then me ask a question. That look normal to you?
The man is sick.
For a man, talk the truth. That look normal to you? For a man, left all the way from him yard, go Jamaica Avenue, park up him car in a garage. Because if I park the car on the road or garage, I meet you know. Now when I don't have Jamaica Avenue free, you know?
Marcia, no way. The other day my daughter came from the army, Shannon Fiat. And we went and to shop for them to go back.
At $12 Fiat, 2 hours of parking, you know?
Let me daughter tell them she pay for and she ever come back. She don't come one ticket check us on her truck for her rental care.
No, down there, no, it ram me live and I live in New York for 40 years, you know. So me I tell you, you know. Now when that so the man have to pay parking, you know. No road pan Jamaica Avenue, you know. We're free, you know. And don't even talk about Hillside Avenue, cause over the Indian them there. He pack. The other day, I go New York to go shop and go Jamaica Avenue. And when me reach down there, I see the whole side of Jamaica Avenue filled with vendor. Jamaica Avenue look like a coronation market. Yeah. Vendor. Me say, me couldn't even stop to pick up the merchandise. Me have to block the road and put on my hazard light and call somebody where I pass and say, go in our store and tell the man them say me outside to carry my bag them come. And by time me could have did them hear the police put on his siren. Me said, give me 1 second, please. Cause him said the people them a come with the blue bag, the bag them. Yes. So me I let you know, say him waste time and money just to go get
But
content to ridicule me.
Marcia, you know, him have two pitney in Jamaica, right? A little girl and a little boy.
Yes, the little boy didn't come at the hotel. When him in care, Janet got Blue Hill, that go a Strawberry Hill
Why
for 1 day or
don't
2.
take up the kids and I make like raise them for him?
Mm-hmm. And him did want the picnic to come at the hotel and sleep, and she tell him no. So him the kind of have a little attitude.
Why him not make the two pitney them file for them? Because him say my sister so much years and him change passport. Why him not file for them and make them come live with Matt like and pitney them?
Uh-huh.
No, I
And
step
say, let me make it clear. Based on my understanding and the evidence that I have and it coming out of the horse's mouth. Say Janet not really trust him because he was abusing her mentally and physically sometimes when him don't get him way. And when he went to Jamaica to book the hotel at Strawberry Hill and go down and whatever and him stuff. Cause me ask her if she pay for it. And him say yes, him pay for it. But me probably a lie. Maybe I'll she pay for the night. But him say I him pay for the surprise. But one of the time she said she never trust him. She said them did it all day and then whatever it is, and he never want to take her walking until way in the night. So him said, why you want to take me walking way in the night? And when them in a walk down a one dark, steepy place. And he said, no, me not feel comfortable. Me not going to walk with you. So she said she was feeling very uncomfortable. So why was Janet feeling so uncomfortable when you want to take her a walk at night at the bottom part of the hill, a Strawberry Hill in a night? I'm talking serious thing, Why is it? So what make you never walk with her in the daytime? Because she was saying, why is it I wonder if I push him, want to push me over the edge to take me out.
But you know, if I said it up human
Yeah,
life.
that's what we were coming to the conclusion. And Marcia, I wonder for that because them the time they him did forge the paper. So when he come up now or whatever. So they were talking. I was like, I wonder if I push him, I try to push me over the edge. And it's a serious talking, as got up every minute lie. Because she said all day I take her down for night walking. And he wanted two of them to go walk late in the night. So me I wonder if I push you want to push the woman. So you could have take her house of Florida. So now everything come out now when you came back and you lodge yourself in the woman's house. Because when you came back from Jamaica and the woman go down with you, and when she go Canada and come back and send for your car, you never know. So when him do that now and him she fly up and come back up now, she change the lock. She change the lock and that's when him come back now and realize when he got the lock is changed and he keep down the door and go in and lodge himself. So it's a possibility him probably want to push her down the ledge. We have to be careful of these people when they want to take over, Because what happened, he were also forcing her to marry her. Yes, he was forcing her, he was forcing to marry. He wanted the woman to marry her while the woman was still divorced with her husband. You see, I'm telling you what taking place, He was forcing the woman to marry her. To run away, to go to Vegas and go places, go married. So if any at all that woman did marry to that bitch ass boy, he would have been one piece of hell and powder house.
But that's fair, really.
Yes. So when it come to the reality now, when they come to the reality, he was trying to get the woman house because what he did also, he was in the neighborhood asking questions. What is the Florida law? So this particular person tell him about the law in Florida that in there. So if any at all live with a woman and a woman buy a house and you married to the woman, automatically, whether you live with the woman 1, 2 day or 3 day, the name have to have on the house. And the person name we had on the house don't have to pay no mortgage. The main person, Janet, have to pay it. Him not have to pay none. It's an automatic law. So he was asking question. So this particular person give him all the answer that he need. So when he realized that the law is set so in Florida, he went after Janet more. So so when you think about it, people, he had a plan, but the plan failed. Because when man plan and got a wife, he had an intention to take over that woman house of Florida.
Listen, darling. So Janet did not know about him before. Listen, Ashanti know how to manipulate people. Him know to come in sweet like honey and sugar, give you food when diabetes.
Exactly. I heard, I never met her, but my ear says she's kind of like a soft and she easy to get afraid because when him rough her up, she have to run out of the house and run to the neighbor to help. Yeah, man, he used to, and you see when she go up on the road, because she love to go shopping, right? And she said she will go shopping like and spend her 1 6 7 hours. When he come back in, when she come back in, she have to give a whole detail what she do. And him push up him hand in her pussy and smell it to see if him have sex. Yes, Janet, me attack. If you should have come out long time to defend me. Him have to feel up the pussy and smell it to she have sex with a man. So she said, no, me not tolerate this. Me have to left the boy a madman this. Him have to test her first. And she said, no, me can't live like this. Yes, man, have to push up and smell to see if she have sex. Yes, and sometimes him sit down after the house when she ready to go, him clap off on the step and walk move and say, you're not going away. And true she know say have a gun. She afraid.
So him
So
not what?
enough time she in the house, she cannot go away because him clap himself on the step, motherfucker. You think so? I was waiting for you like a pussy ass. And me have evidence for this. Me not ask you.
Well, I know say to be honest, when we at the place like the boy can't sleep him torment. Me say
No,
Marcia,
well,
what?
that is what Janet said.
Oh Marcia, me lay down on my belly and me turn my face. So me turn and the man me say slow just a look for me and just a smile. Me say what happened?
That's what Janet said, that he don't sleep. Him don't get 2 hours out of 24.
No, he don't.
And I mean, no, she said she talk. Him talk in him sleep. Him talk a lot in him sleep. Him talk a lot in him sleep. Everything that he does on social media, him talk it in him sleep. Eh?
Him
You
chat
can't,
sleep too.
you can't confirm that?
Him chat too much.
Him do it with you?
Marcia, me say the boy tap me. You have to tap him. She not tap him like how me tap him.
Yes. Yeah, man, the woman say it's scary. Me say, him say the same way him trace you off on Facebook, are the same way him trace you off in his sleep. She says scary. It's like something haunting him. Him say him only sleep maybe 2 times, 2 hours out of 24.
They said the man sit down, I turn and me look. The man saw me turn, the man a kiss up my face. They said, go to your bed. Go in your bed.
So you are looking at a psychopath right there. You look at his pattern. So you're not doing him no favor. You have to encourage him to get a counseling because he's sick. He is sick. And it look like when he fixated on somebody, him just torment them. Once him know him can't make it's like messing with me, it's come like a drugs. Because he's making the money to feed his habit, get a little rent a car, buy him little drugs and buy him little whatever it is. So he knows that me coming with a lot of contents, don't say him continue to go on with him full. Because you look at his patterns and you realize that he creates the same patterns every day. There's nothing new. He repeat the same thing over and over. And when him get mad, him dash out CJ picture. Like if CJ the only person who got jail. CJ only spend 1 day, 1/2 a day in the jail and come out. So you tell me now, for regular little non-driver's ID and whatever, won't not talk about domestic violence or whatever, me don't talk about. If police want right, anybody will argue and fight their girlfriend or domestic violence, them will put. If you're supposed to fight. You don't have nothing for my pitney. So that is how it is. So he had a plan. So when him go down for the Strawberry Hill now, she was like, him not invite me, not time at all. Not time at all. If you go walk in the day, and you want to go in a night, late night, she said no, down the hill. She said, no, me not going. So me ask you a question, pussy ass boy. How you ask Johnny to walk down the hill in the night time? I walk to the daytime. How you that Jamaica want to walk down in the night time? I push the woman over the ledge because you want to take over the woman's house. You see, Janet, you need to come out and do a show. You need to come out I know it's embarrassing to fuck a man like that, but I'm letting you know, as a woman, you need to come out and speak the truth. Because I record every God Almighty thing. I have over 46 to 47 voicemail plus videos of informations. And not only that, there is sworn evidence and videos of neighbors. So you can't come up and lie to me. I mean, I have nothing against you. I know you like me. I know the situation is tight, but you have to tell your story because maybe that's the only way you're going to get that boy if you let people alone on social media. I know you're not together. Me know I'm big up to your husband because your husband likes me. And your husband said, Marcia, I was going to call and tell you a long time we are going, but Janet stopped me. You understand? I spoke to both of them on the phone. And your husband said, Marcia, if you ever know, if you ever know how he born me. You understand? I was gonna call you a long time and tell you what I do, but Janet stopped me. You understand? So I know. So hope they on social media. Uno dealing with somebody who is mentally sick and him love to come and diagnose people.
He's a wicked
when him lodge in a one place, him say a clean place and a team.
When he can't get what he want, he throw a tantrum like him a 2-year-old and 3-year-old.
So I saw exactly the person says in the mall. When he couldn't get his way, him behave bad. He was so embarrassed when he called her to buy something. Janet come tell the truth. And he's saying was behaving like a spoiled child. And then him block her, cuss her and block her. Eh? Why not tell the people how you kick down Janet room door where have the Gucci bag them and it's up them? You fix the woman door yet? Where you kick down and push down her cousin? Agrom? Eh? When our cousin try to shield Janet, where you come off of Janet? Did you tell, why don't you tell the audience how you push down our cousin? Why don't you tell them how you kick down the door with our merchandise them, where you come on social media muggle with? Eh? Where you come and talk about people give a Christmas present. Eh? What is it?
What him need for though is to go take up him kids them and make them move in with Matlock. That may I say, and what's your name?
I don't have nowhere to put him because I was told that she called and I beg money. Enough time she called and I said, Bossy, what we are going to do to her tonight? What kind of strategy we are going to use? Because that's what they did, That's why I know how much they were getting paid. She was getting $150 and 13 was getting $75. Because enough time when she called and said she not the money to pay her rent, him got to remember saying no, him tell Janet everything, So when the bitch asked, look a big donkey nose girl call. Janet have to send the money because Janet is the one that have the money. So him have to transfer all information. So when she called and she not the money to pay her rent and short, Janet paid it. So look a pussy ass girl come on social media.
Remember, lovelies, to subscribe, like, comment, and share this channel.